Greetings. Welcome back from break. I hope you found a little bit of time to relax and kind of refresh yourself for the last little chunk of your seventh grade year. For today's learning work, we're going to try to wake up those memories that maybe we put on hold for the last week about the Great Depression. So I would like you to record yourself kind of going through either your notes if you need to or your brain in identifying what the United States was like during the Roaring Twenties, what happened that caused the Great Depression. Try to list at least 3 of the things that happened that caused the Depression, and then think about how people were affected by it and give some details of the effects, at least 3. And then ultimately, what did Franklin Roosevelt do to try to fix the United States when he became president? List 2 to 3 examples. So you're just going to record yourself going through and kind of refreshing your memory, waking it back up to the Great Depression, and then submit it today as an assignment. As always, you can send me Schoology messages if you have questions, or talk to me during class, or set up a time to meet via WebEx one-on-one to go over stuff. Excited to see you in class.